Hi friends, this is Cry. Did you know the moon experiences its own version of earthquakes? They're called moonquakes, and they're pretty intense. Moonquakes were discovered during NASA's Apollo missions. Seismometers placed on the moon recorded shakes that lasted up to 10 minutes, much longer than most quakes on Earth. They're caused by tidal forces from Earth's gravity, meteorite impacts, and thermal expansion from sunlight. Even though the moon seems calm, it's more active than it looks. Important, the moon is geologically alive, still shaking even without life. Makes you wonder what else is going on up there, right?